The product that I'm about to open is not sponsored by the product provider. It's only me trying the product, but this time it's only for unboxing. So I hope you will enjoy it. Hi guys, for today's vlog, we're going to unbox a parcel that come from a gift from a friend of mine, and she doesn't want to disclose her name. So it's a beauty product from one of the it's just a beauty product. So I was asking her what should I do because I'm breaking out. My face is breaking out right now, like this one. So, and then she told me to try this product. So yeah, she also was the one who bought it and sent it and addressed it to my house. So I'm really thankful to that person, and if she's watching this one, thank you so much. I also sent you SMS a while back when I received that one. So this is the parcel. So it says there that the Abnormal Beauty Company. So let's check it out. The packaging is so tight. Okay, there we go. This packaging is so tight. Like, so tight. There you go. Ooh. So there you go. Wow. Okay, so I have here Ordinary. This one is natural moisturizing factor plus AHA. Oh, this is the one that I really wanted to try. It's the Ordinary Vitamin C Suspension 23. And then this one is the Ordinary Niacinamide. I also wanted to try this one. They said it's really, really good. So yeah. And then they have another one here. It's the receipt. I don't know. Yeah. So let's put that one, and let's open first this. The Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus zinc. So I really wanted to try this one because they said that it's really good. This will be my skincare for the meantime, because I said that I'm breaking out like that one. They're coming. Ooh, wow. There you go. And then I think the instruction is here. Yeah. The other one, I think this is the vitamin C. This is the vitamin C. And also natural moisturizing. Okay, so yeah, we're going to try them. Okay, Alright, thank you for unboxing with me. So the product wasn't sponsored by the product provider, it's only sponsored of my friend. So just like what I said, it's my friend bought it and then just sent it to me to try them if it will have a good effect on my breakout. So I'm so excited to try it and see what will happen. Alright, so thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you again later. Bye.